Welcome to the second annual Locke and Lewis lecture series, this time with micro videos. I'm Scott Cherry, your host and the general editor of Tao and Tawheed.com and our YouTube channel by that name as well. We call them Tao and Tawheed to refer to the order and harmony of the universe. All is not chaos. Also, in the world there are many features that bear the marks of design. They're incredibly numerous and diverse, and yet they all seem to comprise a oneness, a master organizing principle. We call this the Locke and Lewis series in honor of the philosophers John Locke and C.S. Lewis, both of whom have been enormously influential in American culture. It is a severe understatement to say they were both strong advocates of reason, but not only reason. As with a fair number of other great thinkers, Locke and Lewis were also proponents of intelligent and rationally informed faith. They represent the intersection and integration of faith. That's what this lecture series is about, a celebration of faith and reason together. As with the first year, we scheduled this lecture series around Easter time, which was the last Sunday, and was a whole month later this year. So if you watch one or more of these videos, you'll notice an emphasis on the historical credibility of the resurrection and the gospel accounts of Jesus. We hope you will enjoy them and they will engage you into the more intellectual aspects of faith.